Hello everyone, welcome back to Tips and Tricks Mastery channel. Before we proceed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. For those just starting their healthy eating journey, no worries. In this video, I'm going to share some simple tips to kickstart your healthy eating. Let's dive in together. Number 1. Almonds. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids. They're great for supporting heart and skin health. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach is loaded with iron, calcium, vitamin K, and fiber. Its nutrients support bone health, blood, and digestion. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which can boost brain health and fight free radicals. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart, brain, and nerve function. Number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is a fiber-rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants like sulforaphane, known to combat cancer. Number 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain vitamin C, potassium, and lycopene, supporting heart health and reducing certain disease risks. Number 7. Avocado. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, fiber, vitamin K, vitamin E, and potassium. It's great for both heart and brain health. Number 8. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, beneficial for digestion and gut health. Number 9. Oranges. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C, boosting the immune system and reducing disease risks. Number 10. Dark chocolate, no added sugar. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids beneficial for heart health and antioxidants. Make sure to choose a variant with high cocoa content. That's a wrap from us at Tip and Trick Mastery. Thanks for the support and time you've spent with us. Feel free to share this video with friends interested in healthy eating. See you again in the next video.